Hey, what's up guys, and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Streamlabs OBS. Right now it's on beta version 0.8.5. This software used to be in closed alpha. I've been using it since then, so I do know how to use it quite a bit. So first off, when you first boot up Streamlabs OBS, this is what you're greeted with. You can connect to your YouTube account or your Twitch account, but for this tutorial I'm going to connect to my Twitch account. So let's go ahead and do that. Click there. And what I love about the software, it's completely integrated with Twitch and Streamlabs. But sadly, we don't have the Streamlabs chatbot integrated into this just yet. But later on, they should have the Streamlabs chatbot imported into Streamlabs OBS, so that'll be nice. And now, once you're logged into your Twitch account and then you authenticated it and everything, you could have an option to start fresh, or you can import your Streamlabs your OBS scenes and pretty much everything you have from there. You could import it here into Streamlabs OBS, which is a really neat feature. But we're going to go ahead and start fresh here. Now, when you start fresh, you have an option to add widgets. You have a chance to add your alert box, your event list, or a jar, your Streamlabs jar if you have one. I'm going to remove that widget, the events list widget, and that widget. And let's go ahead and set up later. And after that, it'll optimize everything for you, which is a really nice feature. It'll optimize the location for you, what server you should be using, what bandwidth you should be using, what your resolution should be, depending on your PC specs. And it's a really nice feature that the Streamlabs team have added. So click next once it's all done. And here we are, greeted with the interface. Alright, so you got your scene collection here, you got your sources collection here, you got your mixer here, which shows you your desktop audio and your microphone audio, and it also shows you your capture card audio if you have one. So let's go ahead and go into settings, which is up here on the top right. Now let's go to stream, and make sure you get your stream key. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I'm going to open Chrome and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that you're on Twitch, click right here on your profile, go to your dashboard, and to get your stream key that you could put into Streamlabs OBS, you are going to want to go to settings over here, click on stream key, show stream key. And remember not to show your stream key when you're on stream or when you're recording videos, because then anyone who sees your stream key could stream to your account, which you don't want. So make sure you hide it. Copy your stream key and then paste it in this section over here. Now click on server. Make sure you click on auto, which is recommended. And then click output settings. Click on advanced. Now, by default, it'll be 2500 bitrate. Depending on your internet, I guess it'd be safe to go to 3000. So just set it to 3000. Keyframe intervals 2. Now, this depends on your CPU. So, if you want the stream to look really good, make sure you go faster, fast, medium. But it uses more CPU. So the more you go here, the more CPU you'll use. But if you want to use less CPU power, then you go very fast, super fast, or ultra fast. The only downsides to that is that you're sacrificing your stream quality. So be wary on that. Now let's go to profile. I'm going to set mine to high because I have a pretty decent CPU for streaming, Ryzen 1700. And I'm going to set my CPU usage preset to fast. Now let's go to audio. Now this all depends on your microphone settings and your desktop audio settings, but for me, I leave desktop audio device 1 at default. And for microphone auxiliary audio, I choose voice meter output. And I'm all set there. Now for video, make sure your base canvas is 1920 by 1080p. And for your output scale, 1280 by 720p. For your downscale filter, I'm going to set mine to Lancsivs because that gives you the best quality stream. And make sure your common FPS value is set to 30. And then you're done there. And with hotkeys, you can set it to whatever you like. For me, I don't really have any right now. For advanced, let's not touch on this too much, except for YUV color range, set it to full. If your computer can handle it. If not, just leave it at default. Now for overlays. I'm not really sure how this works, but you can import your overlays from OBS into here. And you can export your overlay scenes from Streamlabs OBS by clicking this export overlay button. And then you got your notifications here. And that's pretty much that. So, now, let's get into the good stuff. How to show your chat. Now that's kind of hidden on here. You see this little arrow right here? You click on that, and that pops up your Twitch chat, which is a really neat feature. It comes integrated with Twitch chat. So, as you should see, I'll type a test message, and bam, there we go. That's the Twitch chat. And if you want it to be shown on the left side, go back to settings, and check this box. Show the live doc chat on the left side. And bam, it's on the left side now. Now the other cool thing about this software is it comes with the Streamlabs dashboard built right in. So bam, there's your Streamlabs dashboard. You could fix your alerts here, your goals, your stream logs, event list, all that good stuff. You could fix it all here. And you could also see your donations and everything. And it comes with free graphics as well, which is something I really love about this software. So if I want to have different overlays for every stream, then I could go on here. And they have animated overlays and static overlays, which is really nice. I'm really glad they have this feature. Usually I go with the static overlays. Most of them come with a be right back screen, an offline screen, and a stream starting screen, which is a really cool feature. And to see all your notifications while you're live, click on this live section right here. And you got a little preview window on the bottom right. You got your mixer right here. And you got your scenes collection right here, which you could switch to at any time during live stream. And then you have all your notifications of when someone follows you, hosts you, subscribes to you, donates to you, or even sends cheers to you. Now, one thing you could also do with the software is change your stream title and your game. So for me, I stream a lot of Battlefield 1. So I got my title right here and my game here. You can even use optimize encoder settings. But at this time, Streamlabs OBS does not have anything for Battlefield 1. You even have your profile set to medium for you by default. And to go live, you hit the go live button on the bottom right. Or bottom left if you have the chat on the right side. You could even resize your preview window and your chat window. So you can have your stuff like that, which is how I normally have mine set up. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. My name is Mr. Average Streamer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you like about the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.